everyone, hope you're well. Happy Tuesday morning, wherever you are in the world. But right now here in Australia, it's Tuesday morning. We're trying a different style of video for you guys to give you guys more enjoyment and entertainment. So let us know if you like this style of video or like the older style, what we used to do. But I'm here at 440i. We'll be doing a stage 3 package. Should be fun. Sounds good, but could be much better. Let's have a look. Check out the turbo. Hey?
Yeah, come this way. Do you think?
No, you guide me. That's what you're for. Hello. Oh, yeah.
Yes, too late. Yeah. Big boy here. It's huge. So I think Hank's been kidnapped by the Snap-on guys. They just know what to say to him.
So stage 3 package on this 440i B58 includes high pressure fuel pump upgrade, spark plugs upgrade, intake, charge pipes, downpipe, turbo, manifold as well, and ECU and TCU. Let's get it done. I reckon I'll be able to put this off. I'll try. There's some stuff hidden here. And look at the high pressure fuel pump. Do this. Oh. Plenty of room for activities, what do you reckon? So I like when things come out good. It's like a brace sport. Doesn't hurt to have more than not enough.
This thing's going to be a stage 3. On that. We need to turn the turbo around so we can get movement, alright? But at the moment the bracket's blocking it. So what do? We take the bracket.
So what's the issue, man? That slides up and comes out. Let's take the turbo off. Let's go for it. Let me have a look, alright? Okay, look. Just to make you happy. Thank you. You hold this little
Hey?
Oh, what's that? 10mm socket.
I'll find it later.
10mm socket. Hey, did you see the Snap-on truck?
No?
The number plate's 10mm.
Oh, I've told you that before. How's that going, Hank? Can we get that other bolt from the top? This might be a 2-man job. Here's your thing, though. Where's the screws like anything? These ones. Where'd you put that one, mate?
So I'll probably come do this up. The manifold and turbo was off. We had issue getting a downpipe off because the bolt was broken. So we had to take turbo, manifold, downpipe off together. New turbo and manifold is ready to be put back. So I'm gonna do that now and yeah, should be good, should be good. We have to get it started very, very soon. We've got to out with the down pump.
Exactly.
Sure, yeah, with this.
Oh, look at that.
What was that called?
They actually are. The nuggets f***ing good. Yeah, remember? This is a great
She,
joke.
yeah, she kept on asking, and she's going, "What is EYES? How do you pronounce it?" He's like, "Yes, yes, yeah, yes."
Did you fumble because on camera?
And then when he finally realised that's meant to be eyes. Bit of a mind trick there, isn't it? Yeah, I laughed.
Anyway.
Yeah, sweet. Something like that. Get on my desk. Oh! Oh, shit. I'm so glad that he got the down gloves. So the turbo, manifold, and all the hardware's on. It's gonna do the tune, pretty much what we're doing now, and then we'll be able to start it up and listen to what it sounds like.
Hey? What do you think? I like it.
The dose. Oh my god. Listen to it. Woo! You hear that dose? This is a fun car. So it's doing lap around, make sure there's no vibration, make sure everything's working smoothly. So far, very, very happy with the result. It's incredible. Beautiful car. It's crazy. Look at that dose. I love that dose. That's probably the best part about it. I want to buy the turbo just for that dose. Alright, done. Everything's all sweet. Now it's gonna wait for him to come pick up the car. See the big smile on his face. I can't wipe the smile off my face. The customer just left with his car and is absolutely happy with the result. Now, we've actually got another stage 3 package coming in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned to our socials to see what we're doing next. Now, this is our first time doing a vlog style video, so let us know in the comments what you guys think, and we'll see you next time.